You are buying a home and you're trying to understand how much you'll have to pay in property taxes, just keep in mind that property taxes are not paid on the purchase price of your home. So if you buy your home for $600,000, you're not paying property taxes on $600,000 unless the appraised value of your home is the same thing, because property taxes are paid on the appraised value of your home, which is what your county is going to assess for you. And an appraisal that is done to assess your property taxes is different from the appraisal that is done when you're doing your mortgage loan. So when you're doing your mortgage loan, the lender is going to do an appraisal to determine if your home is worth more or less than the loan value, because lenders don't like lending out more money than a property is actually worth. So in the case of an appraisal where it's your lender doing the appraisal, you want that to be as high as possible. You do not want it to come in low. But on the other hand, when your appraisal district appraises your home for property taxes, you want that to be as low as possible, because when your appraised value comes back, that is what you pay property taxes on. And especially if you live in Texas, you're definitely going to want to file a homestead exemption. A homestead exemption basically caps how much percentage your property taxes can increase every single year. I think people get confused because there are like three different prices that you can get for a home. There's the purchase price of a home, and then there's the loan appraisal, and then there's the property tax appraisal. These are all different things. Purchase price of a home is what you actually buy a home for. You obviously want that to be as low as possible because you want to get a great deal. And then to get loan approval, your property has to be approved by doing an appraisal, and your lender's going to take care of that. And FYI, that's why it's really important to use like a local lender when you're buying a home, because a lot of these like big banks and like huge mortgage lenders, they will bring in like random appraisers from other cities, or appraisers who don't know your city extremely well. And so they'll give like a random value to your home that doesn't necessarily align with what the actual market is doing. But a local appraiser who works with a local mortgage company, they're going to know your neighborhood inside and out, and they're going to give you a fair value for your home. Problem that happens if something is appraised a little bit weird when it comes to the loan is that if your appraisal comes in low as an under loan value, you're going to have to make up that difference in cash at closing, which like no one wants to do. So I know home buying can be really confusing, but if you like all things real estate and real estate investing, I'm your girl.